Hey there, viewers! What to avoid when trying to gain muscle? When it comes to muscle building, it's important you know the key facts about what not to do, what to do, and when to do it. Along with weight loss, building muscle is one of the primary reasons people join a gym. After all, gaining lean muscle not only looks good, it is also important to your overall health. With increased muscle mass, you will experience improved posture, joint protection, stronger bones, stronger joints and tendons, better metabolism, athletic ability, and balance. In this video, we will discuss the things you need to avoid during muscle building. Stay tuned. 3 reasons why you should build muscle. Number 1, muscle increases metabolic rate. The muscle cells in your body use energy while the fat cells store energy. So by gaining muscle through strength training, you increase your body's energy requirements. It increases your metabolic rate, which causes your body to burn more fat. Number 2, muscle fortifies the bones, ligaments, and tendons. Strength training will help to prevent many types of injuries. Building up your core strength will improve your balance and coordination and will reduce the likelihood of accidents resulting in injury. Building up your muscles also builds and strengthens your bones and tendons, which can help to prevent broken bones and tendon sprains and tears. Modern athletes in many sports use muscle training to help them not only improve athletically, but also to reduce the injuries that are so prevalent. It is important to continue our muscle training workouts as we get older to prevent the types of injuries that older adults are susceptible to on different occasions. Number 3, muscle makes everyday activities easier. It seems evident that building muscles will make you stronger, but many people don't realize what a great benefit increased strength can be. If you've ever struggled to open a jar of pickles or had to get help to move a box of books, then you understand the limitations that lesser strength can place on your life. A strength training regimen can significantly improve your strength and allow you to do many things that you formerly needed help with. What to avoid when trying to gain muscle? Number 1, not eating enough. All that time in the gym pounding away at the weights may be all for nothing if you're not taking in enough calories. This is because without being in a calorie surplus, you will make muscle building very difficult for yourself. It is important to remember calories are needed to fuel your workouts and to help your muscles to repair and grow. Calorie counting is far from a perfect science, but to get a rough idea of how many you need a day to build muscle, you want to multiply your weight in pounds by 15 to 17. Number 2, not consuming enough protein. Protein is important for many functions in the body. It is also important in the process of muscle building known as muscle protein synthesis. The purpose of your workout will be to break down the muscle fibers with microscopic tears, and when they repair, they will build back bigger. Over time, this increases muscle mass. To repair and rebuild your muscle tissue, you will need an adequate protein supply. Aim for 0 to 8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you would want to consume around 120 grams of protein a day. Number 3, not drinking enough water. Your body is made up of 2/3 water. Out of that, 2/3 of that water is found in your muscle. Your muscle cells are made up of protein and water, and if you want to gain more of it, you need to increase your water intake. The usual 6 to 8 glasses a day is a good guideline, but a more accurate approach is to drink half your weight in ounces of water each day. So with our 150-pound example, you should be drinking approximately 75 ounces of water a day. The average cup has about 8 ounces in it. This equals around 9 cups a day. Number 4, overtraining. Training breaks your muscle tissue down and then repairs it afterward. It might seem logical that the more you work out, the more muscle building you'll accomplish. However, this isn't the case, as training too often can cause your body to burn out, because your body will not be getting the best time to do so. This can increase your stress hormones, leading to injuries and even sickness, as it can suppress your immune system. Number 5, not getting enough sleep. This is related to point 4 above, as a lack of sleep is going to seriously derail muscle building. After nutrition, sleep is what encourages your body to repair and recover. If you deprive yourself of sleep, you're interrupting the growth and repair process. Sleep deprivation can elevate your stress hormones, making gaining body fat easier. dragging your energy levels down and negatively affecting your workout. Number 6. Not eating enough carbs. You might do well on a low-carb diet such as paleo or keto, but those diets aren't for everyone. If you're working out hard, you will need energy, and your body can get it through the form of glucose from carbohydrates. These carbs will help push you in the gym to lift more weights, leading to better muscle building results. It is important to keep your carb intake clean. You can do this by opting for complex carbohydrates like wild rice, steel-cut oats, and sweet potatoes. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. Number 7. Not lifting enough weight. If your workouts are not challenging you, then you will need to increase the intensity. If you are doing an exercise where you can do 20+ repetitions, you're not lifting a heavy enough weight. Choose a weight that is challenging and that you can't do over 10 to 15 reps while maintaining good form. Number 8. Lifting too much weight. On the flip side, if you are lifting a weight you can only perform 4 or 5 reps, it might be too heavy. You'll gain strength training in that range, but for better muscle building, you want to be doing at least 10 to 15 reps. Number 9. Limiting weights too fast. The pace at which you lift the weights is important because your muscles need time under tension, as this is where your muscle fibers get the full resistance and muscle building occurs. For example, if you perform a set of 10 repetitions in 10 to 15 seconds, your muscles will not receive the necessary time under tension. To achieve muscle growth, you want sets to last at least 30 to 45 seconds. Number 10. Lifting with poor form. Here, you will want to make sure you are using a challenging weight, but it must also be one you can control through the repetitions with good form. If you can control the weights, you will be working out everything but the intended muscle. If the weight is too heavy and your form is sloppy, you'll be engaging your joints and tendons more than your muscles, and this can also lead to injury. Number 11. Not using the mind-muscle connection. This may seem weird, but it is important to be mindful of the muscle you are working on. For example, if you are doing a bicep exercise, you want to focus on the bicep and the squeezing to produce maximum muscle building. If you are doing bicep curls and just going through the motion, you're not fully engaging the bicep. Focus on the muscles you are using. Consciously contract and squeeze them to make them grow bigger and stronger. Number 12. Not stretching enough. If you start or finish your workout without stretching, you're missing out on an important part of muscle building. Stretching at the end of a workout not only starts the recovery process, but helps you prepare your body for the next workout. Without stretching, you can leave your muscles tight and risk injury. Stretching is also important for the muscle fascia, similar to a bag that holds your muscle tissue. It is important to stretch the fascia because by doing so, you allow your muscles more room to grow. This can be done in between sets during the pump and after. Number 13. Not getting enough nutrients each day. You may eat a good amount of carbs and protein, but you still need all the micronutrients important for muscle growth. If you are deficient in certain vitamins and minerals, it can throw your body off. You need a good fruit and vegetable intake. Aim for double-digit servings of non-starchy vegetables each. You can add a multivitamin supplement to your diet. Ready to build the muscles you've been aiming for? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.